Tell us a little bit about your routine. You're in Newport Beach, and you take a helicopter. Walk us through it and why and how that started. A lot of people don't know that story.
Yeah, so I always get to practice really early. My routine is always the same. I'd wake up 4 in the morning, and I'd lift weights, really early, 5 in the morning. Get home at about 6:30 in time to wake up the kids for school. And then I take the kids to school every morning. That's what I do. I take them to school, and then after I take them to school, I go to practice. I drive to practice. And this is before people started really moving down south. So I can get down to LA in 30, 40 minutes, right? So I practiced. I'd stay late after practice, get my shots up, treatment up, drive back, and I can get back in time to pick the kids up from school, after school activities, all that fun stuff, even on weekends. But then traffic started getting really, really bad. Right, and I was sitting in traffic, and I wound up missing like a school play because I was sitting in traffic, and this thing just kept mounting, and I had to figure out a way where I could still train and focus on the craft, but still not compromise family time. And so that's when I looked into helicopters and be able to get down and back in 15 minutes, and that's when it started. And so my routine was always the same: weights early in the morning, kids to school, fly down, practice like crazy, do my extra work, media, everything I needed to do, fly back, get back in carpool line, pick the kids up. And my wife was like, listen, I can pick them up. I'm like, no. I want to do that because you have road trips and times where you don't see your kids, man, So like every chance I get to see them and spend time with them, even if it's 20 minutes in the car, like I want that, right? So